Held at Lehman College, the U.S. Department of State Gilman Alumni Workshop served as a networking opportunity for recipients of the Benjamin A. Gilman International Scholarship. Director of Center for Global Engagement, Teresa Levy, explains the idea behind this workshop.
Students who have won Gilman scholarships to study abroad can come together after their experiences and can talk about what was valuable, can learn about how to market that experience in the workplace.
The Benjamin A. Gilman International Scholarship is a grant program funded by the Department of State that provides college students financial support to broaden their academic horizons.
The Gilman Scholarship is a scholarship that supports underrepresented students, minority students, students who are coming from low-income households to study abroad.
One of those students is Sabrina Burgess, a scholarship recipient alumni who studied abroad in Jamaica.
So I'm actually a scholar. In 2016, I studied in Jamaica, where I studied at the University of the West Indies, and I also volunteered at the YMCA. This program really helped me excel in my career.
Attendees also offer advice for future scholars who may be interested in studying abroad.
Look into your opportunities and look into this scholarship, the Benjamin A. Gilman Scholarship.
It will make you appreciate what you have in a different way. It will make you question what you have in a different way. So everybody should do it. It will just change your life.
Reporting for BronxNet, Kibin Aline.